About 1 year ago, I went through the really tough time that I will always remember. I felt really confused and upset and couldn't shake it off. I often feel broken and find it difficult to stand up. It happened very frequently. I cry silently and stay awake all night. This is what I do at night. Back then, I was questioning if this would improve in the future. When I was a teenager, I was hard and frightening, but now let's talk about the good part of the story. 1 year ago, I worked hard to stop all the problems and the worries that were bothering me. I succeeded in get rid of them. A year ago, I decided to try something new. I was determined and have faith. So I didn't give up and went to go get help. I spent the day trying to feel better and get healthy. That day I got the result of all the tests and advice I got. I felt relieved when I stopped fighting and accepted that what happened to me. A few weeks later, I was happy and thankful for my family's support after I shared my struggle with them, and I am grateful for the day that God gave me a wonderful family. They always help me even though I walk with a limp. They bring me out of the sad time, who comfort me when I was crying, and I'm still thankful and I think about those times even today.